Hi guys, and as I promised, I was gonna give you kind of like a aster. I did some of the cleanup. I didn't do as much as I wanted to because it started raining really bad, but I got all the sweet potatoes away from my fantastic avocado, and I cut the grass all around, the bag, which is for me the hardest to get to at some time. I did a huge clean out in here in this corner. That was all photo grass, as you can tell. The sweet potato, I flip it over there, and then I cut the grass in the whole back, because as you see, this part of my yard always float. I did this kind of like dish myself. I dig it by hand when I first, like 2 years after I moved. Sorry about my shadow there. But I cut the grass in all this that it was really, really overgrown. And I clean around the sugar canes. I clean around my avocado. Sorry about that, I tripped. And it looks much better at the back. It was pretty bad. It was like literally really overgrown because I don't have a lot of time, but sometimes you have to make the sacrifice and do what you got to do. I still have some cleanup to do because like I told you guys, it started raining and it was a very bad rain, and then winds. So the wind knocked down my camito tree. I did sure if you guys want to see it later, but as you can tell, I have like piles of the blackberries, sweet potatoes, and you name it. But everything that was in the fence, I took it off. I kind of cleaned up blackberry plants. I cleaned the guava tree a little bit, and that corner over there, that it was pretty bad. Like all that in there was like overgrown in the fence, and the sweet potato were climbing. You can see some over there that I didn't get to it, and one blackberry out there that I left it so my neighbors can enjoy the blackberries. But I did clean as much as I could, and now I just have to pick. Later on I will pick all those sweet potatoes and vines and everything else, and then I will clean that blackberry even better. I will cut all the old growth that is done fruiting. So, but she still looks pretty good. I just has to be I has to be on top of it. And now I can see my shampoo ginger that is loaded with shampoo ginger, and I clean over there also. That way the lemon tree can get some sun. I also cut all the sweet potato around this guava tree that is not doing too good. This shampoo ginger, guys, I planted it this year. Look, it's already flowering, which is surprising. Going back to this guava tree, it's a white guava. It did really good the first year. It didn't do good last year, and this year it didn't do nothing. So it might be going bye-byes because, I mean, it's a lot of real estate there that I can use for another fruit tree, and I have plenty of those. But I cleaned as much as I could, brushing and fighting with the rain. But sometimes even we don't want to do it. Like I told you guys in the other video, this is the worst part for me when it comes to gardening. I don't like to cut the grass, not because it's horrible, it's just because I don't have a lot of time. So the time I have, I like to use it for other stuff. But it looks pretty good. I wish I could do more cleaning, but that would have to be another day. Then I will cut the grass here with a tractor, and then we'll be done for a little bit until we come back from Dominican Republic. But this is what we need to do sometimes like gardeners. We have to do the hard job, the one that we don't want to do. But I'm happy, especially with that blackberry that I couldn't see her anymore. It was covered with sweet potatoes and grass and vines and you name it. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe. If you any comments or any suggestions, I really appreciate it. And I see you guys in the next video. Nala, don't eat that. She's always trying to eat something. Nala, come on, baby. Come on, let's go. You guys have a great day. Nala, come on, baby girl.